What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to use your gift card on walmart.com when you make a purchase. So let's get right to it. First of all, you need to go to walmart.com and make sure you are signed in with your account as I am here. And if you don't have an account, creating one is pretty easy, straightforward and simple. So to use your gift card, all you want to do is to click here at the top right where it says account and your name up top, and then click on account. And here you have all your account settings and details. You want to click here on the settings at the top right here. And under the wallet option, you have your different payment methods. So you can pay by credit, debit card, gift card, electronic benefits transfer, or benefit card. And obviously, this is the option we are after, the gift card. So if you click on gift card here, you will open the payment methods where you add a payment method. Of course, you want to select gift card once again. So click on gift card again. And here you need to enter your card number, your PIN, your gift and card nickname, and then click on save to save this card and use it as a payment method when you make your next purchase on Walmart.